Hey, time for another 2-minute lesson. Today, we're going to learn some melodic embellishment ideas over this chord progression. It goes from D minor to B flat major to F major. And I do think it sounds a little bit like John Mayer, don't you think? I wonder why. Anyway, this is how I play it. We are going to play thirds in the beginning, double stops. So the melody goes like this. Switch strings. So you see what I'm doing here? I'm playing the double stop like this, but I'm also adding the third note in the triad, and then ending on. Then the next time the chords come around, switch strings and play, and then I play with the pull off, and then finish with. Beautiful triad there at the end.